they blow trees, only lonely melody. Music chose me, just no this and no peace. I get lucky, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love has seen the way to me, I do the world I've seen her. We are nobody who you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer.
See school? The man inside $500 one, $500 person and kids free. See the school? It's very hard to get back here. So we just are showing us something because you don't know when me touch out a different thing. I got what people don't know about. See the road that we use come down? The name Hidden Waterfalls. I put the name. Showing us something I wanna never see before, you see me? A 500. Yeah, when you go back there, you can take pictures and things.
How far up? A nice to walk, man.
Yeah, man, a nice to walk, like a 20-15 minute walk. Alright, people. Well, we now walk through the place and I can hear the water in at the back. Like I said, the driving if we get here. I'd rather you guys, when you get a truck or like a Hilux or a Jeep. But, once you get to the primary school, you have to do a next 15-minute walk. GPS now will tell you that, but me I tell you. You see me? So it's gonna be a trail. We're not going to follow enough people to come here, so I'll be to one magnum. So follow the trail all the way until we reach. When you come to right, so don't go right, turn left. Watch your foot. Almost there. As you can see, we're already a little waterfall. And so we're there. 10 minutes hike, people. It's very rugged. I would say you get some hiking shoes, but as you can see, it's up there, so nobody don't know about it. And well, people know about it. I change my verbiage. Slippers come off of my foot. This is nice, man. See?
I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. hop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what frat you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming, pineapple juice, I give a sweet semen. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Tryna come the same day as Jack, rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You could do it too, believe it. I've been throw up the sex in her.
You know what the picture too? Yeah? People, if you have a drone, don't bring a drone back here because no GPS. And put up the drone, hopefully you get some footage. If you have a drone, don't bring it. We get some footage, but no GPS back here. One more photo shoot as well. Also, if you not come, bring mosquito spray. Only for mosquito. But it's nice still. See there? Pretty waterfall. Bring your mosquito spray. See me? Yeah man, they are pull out. Picture thing. See a picture, take people take picture, come tell me so we're there. We don't want to go from this because yeah. Come on, but I know far drive. Yeah man, I bush me there. See this? None of them now gonna know it's where this there. This is a hidden gem. Me come find this. But not even know it's a Kingston this day, you know. Kingston. Waterfall like Kingston, remember that. Waterfall up there, son. I have people come on the one easy back and come down yourself. You have to be careful. Water doesn't come all the way. Big waterfall. So we're head back. So it's a chat back boat. Enjoy it a lot. People, we are leaving now. Because mosquito them a beat the bad. But look, see the waterfall back there, sir. Remember we come tell about this first thing on the channel. You see me? Name I got in the description. How to get here. GPS. So them ask the people in that care what GPS mean. Nobody never know. But because of my job, I not gonna act like I know everything. But GPS stands for Global Positioning System. Find it anywhere in our world. But we had post the link. I couldn't know over there, but we take time to try to go back out. As you can see, now the forest, Magnum done. Once the Magnum done, everything done. You see me? Alright. Look there. Go far water come. You don't want to go bathe. See that? Yes. This is what we do it for. Do it for the vlog. Yeah man, first time on the channel. We just are showing the journey back out. It's a long journey. Family member then gone with me. But yeah. Far out there, sir.
You really have to take care of the water and stuff.
What do you mean?
Keep it clean and stuff.
Yeah, we don't see no garbage. So I'm really, I'm not lying, Mattel. Mikey just jumped down there, look up steep there. Asking if I son can jump. Missed that from the camera.
Nice little hike. Some hiking shoes. Some sandwich like the white people them. And you're good. Yeah. Who would have known say this day in a St. Andrew? Nobody. Boy, I'm gonna want to drop off of this. When Andrew will let's find out about the place and man build railing.
What school in Jamaica? Brandon Hill Primary School. So is that all your school? Yeah, this is sitting nowadays.
I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala.